You don't? Why? Oh, it's a Garmin.
Yeah, this one's different. It's in a sound.
Oh, it's a Garmin 500.
Yeah, I've flown it a couple times.
You don't like this one as much.
No, I don't. I don't like it at all. I mean, it's fine.
So where's the little pisser for the fuel? Isn't it like one of these things, or no? It's a bolt.
For on this one, there's only one.
Oh, there.
But and then there's one under here too. But on these, here, maybe that one's not in this end, right? Let's go to the actual ones. On these ones, there's 5 on each wing, and then there's one under the nose.
Ooh. I know you've flown this one. I remember this tail number.
Somewhere like right here, there's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's 5 drains?
Yeah. And then we check the fuel. Up here, there's one up there. And then oil. We check the oil. Always make sure there's 6. And there's some water on this.
Ooh, this dash is beat.
Yeah. Yeah, and there's another fuel stump under
Don't you look at the
there.
prop?
Oh, yeah. Oh, we're going through the whole free plate.
Feel the...
Gotta pull on this. If I have my little sheet, I like
What did you pull on?
this, make sure it's like
Tight?
steady. If I had like my paper, my laminated paper, I go like this,
Oh.
make sure there's like no nicks
Not cut edge
or
thing.
anything. I come down here, make sure it's at least 3 fingers long. Check this out, make sure this is clear.
Ooh, don't hit the exhaust when it's hot. You touched the
No,
exhaust.
it's not on.
No, right here. This one.
Oh,
That could be
yeah.
really hot.
Just make sure like all the just like yank on this a little bit, make sure it's tight. And when this is off, just make sure it's clear. That's clear. Stump it more. We can only stump it. And it goes like back, like all the way back there if you want to see
Oh, luggage.
inside. Yeah.
I didn't know it was a 4-seater. I really thought it was 2.
And so, just go like this.
Oh, you do them all.
Yeah, you do all 5, and then I'll make sure it's blue. That's fine for now. Make sure there's nothing in it. And then just come back up here. And you pour it back in. And this one's really full. Jump back down. It's my favorite part. I like jumping down. Check the wheel. Make sure the brake pad's not too thin.
You can touch the brake pad? Oh, yeah.
And then check the rotor pin, make sure this is on tight. Just the wheel is like not shredded down.
There's air pressure.
Well, yeah. This is good. Gotta make sure. Where is it? Where? Is it not in this?
It's probably locked, right?
I don't know where it is. Yeah, no, because the control thing's in it. So, like, if it wasn't, I'd move it. Make
The
sure
control thing's on the yoke.
Want to come inside?
Oh, is this the control lock?
Yeah. So, like, when I take this out, look, they move.
Yes.
Oh, I wish we could go flying so bad. You can get in. You can sit. You don't want to?
That's the pilot seat.
You want to get on
You're
this
in the
side?
co.
It doesn't matter. Throttle. Make sure. Sector trim. Make the thing. You know, just realty. I always scoot. I scoot my like seat. I'm like all the way up here.
Because you can't reach the pedals.
Nope.
Is this where you plug in your radio, your headset?
Yeah. We plug in headsets here. Make sure none of these are ever popped out. Turn on. For a second, see the G1000.
You put battery on. Initializing system. Garmin 1000. Welcome to Garmin 1000. Ooh, how many hours?
68,500. Yeah.
That's houred up.
Only half of this stuff is going to be working on because avionics is not off. But, so like when this is on, this switches to over here. And,
don't touch the glass, you'll get in trouble.
true. I mean, I do, but
You're
I'm
not supposed to.
But, altitude, it's not working.
Don't you set the what the altitude is here? Does tower give you
so,
that?
Whatever, like,
What's beeping? What was the alarm for?
It's just, it does that sometimes.
Was it because there was a plane right next to us?
No. Oh.
So does this mean that we're almost 790 feet above sea level?
Where?
The altimeter?
Oh, yeah, so this is probably set to like whatever, so like ATIS or tower will tell us what to set it to, and then we have to make sure that it's in 75 feet of 720, because that's what level we're on. Oh, I'll fly you soon. Oh, there's the owner of that one cool plane.
Which one, with the hat? With the hat or the... No, which guy?
Oh, yeah, with the hat.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, it's gonna show us.
Watch your head. Oh, you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, there she is.
Wow, that's a lot of planes.